Dedication. For every child who did the work first and enjoyed the reward even more because of it. Discipline is the bridge between your dream and your life. One Saturday, Leo saw it in the toy store, the most amazing robotics kit he had ever seen. His eyes went wide. His heart jumped. Then he saw the price tag, and his heart sank. "Dad, can we get it?" Leo asked. Dad picked up the box and looked at it carefully. Then he looked at Leo. "We could," he said slowly, "or you could earn it." That night at the kitchen table, Dad and Leo made a plan. Extra chores, saved allowance, 4 weeks of work. Leo looked at the plan. He nodded. "I can do that," he said. Leo got to work. He washed dishes. He swept the porch. He helped carry groceries without being asked. Every coin he earned went straight into his jar. Week by week, the jar filled up, a little, then half, then almost full. Leo shook it every morning just to hear how much heavier it was getting. One Saturday, his friends came by. "Come play," said Carlos. "We have ice cream," said Sam. Leo looked at his chore list. 2 things left. "Give me 20 minutes, he said. Leo finished his last 2 chores and ran to meet his friends with the afternoon still wide open. Work first, then play. It felt like the best kind of freedom. Every day after school, Leo did his homework before anything else. No TV, no games, not yet. It was hard at first, then it became just normal. When his homework was done, Leo would pick up a fun book, or draw, or work on a small invention at his desk. The free time felt better because he had earned it. Everything tasted better when you worked for it. 4 weeks later, Leo sat at the kitchen table and counted every coin. He counted twice just to be sure. Then he looked up at his dad with the biggest smile. "I've got it," he said. Back at the toy store, Leo walked straight to the shelf. He picked up the robotics kit himself, carried it to the register, and paid with his own money. It felt different. It felt like his. At home, Leo opened the box carefully. Parts and pieces everywhere. His hands were actually shaking a little. With excitement, he had waited, he had worked, and now here it was. Building the robot took 3 more days. Leo was patient. He read every instruction. He tried pieces that didn't fit and tried again. Self-discipline had already taught him how to do that. On the 3rd evening, the last piece clicked into place. Leo held up the finished robot. It glowed. It hummed. Dad, Mom, and Grandma all clapped from the doorway. At school, Leo carried the robot carefully in his backpack. His friends gathered around at lunch. "You made this," Carlos said. "I earned it," Leo said. "Then I built it." That felt even better to say. That evening, Dad sat beside Leo on his bed. They both looked at the glowing robot on the shelf. "How does it feel?" Dad asked. Leo thought about it. "Like it's really mine," he said. "Because it is." Leo opened his notebook and wrote, "First the work, then the reward. Self-discipline is not a cage. It is the key to everything you want." The next day, Leo sat at his desk working quietly while other kids played outside. He wasn't sad about it. He was thinking about what was waiting for him on the other side of done. Leo looked up from his notebook right at you. "The things you work hardest for feel the best when you get them," he said. "So what are you willing to work for? Start today. Your future self will thank you." The big idea, self-discipline, means choosing to do what needs to be done, even when something more fun is calling your name. It means work first, reward second. Wait for what you really want. The things you earn always feel better than the things you are just given. What is something worth working and waiting for? A note for grown-ups. Napoleon Hill's 9th law of success, self-discipline. Napoleon Hill taught that self-discipline is the master key that unlocks all other success principles. Without it, faith becomes wishful thinking, enthusiasm becomes scattered energy, and initiative fizzles. Self-discipline is the ability to direct thought, emotion, and action toward a chosen goal, regardless of circumstances. For children, age-appropriate experiences of earning rewards, delaying gratification, and completing responsibilities before play build this foundational life skill. Talk about it. 1. Can you think of something you worked hard for and how it felt when you got it? 2. Why do you think Leo's robot felt more special because he earned the money himself? 3. What is one small way you practice self-discipline every day already? Try it. This week, try the work first rule for 3 days. Before any screen time or play, finish one responsibility first. Write down how it feels at the end of each day. Write down how it feels at the end of each day.